Good morning. Today we're going to learn how to do composition of functions. So we are given that f of x equals to 3 divided by x minus 8 and g of x equals to 2x plus 1. Now we are asked to find the expression f of g of x. Then b, find the expression g of f of x. So what does this mean? So this is saying that we should find the function g of x right here and plug it into the function f. So we are working from the inside out. So this is going to look like this. So f, now I know g of x is giving us 2x plus 1. Okay, so what I did was that I plug in the function g of x right here into the expression. So then that equals to that. Now this expression means I have to plug in, so now 2x plus 1 becomes my new input. So I'm going to plug that 2x plus 1 into the function called f. Alright, so this is going to look like that. So we have f of x equals 3 over x minus 8. So I have 3. Wherever I see x, I'm plugging in 2x plus 1. Right? So then I have 2x plus 1 minus 8. Okay? So what I did was that wherever there was an x, I plug in my new input of 2x plus 1. So now I can go further and simplify this expression, right? We can combine some like terms here, the 1 and the negative 8. So that becomes 3 divided by 2x minus 7. Therefore, f of g of x equals 3 over 2x minus 7. And that is the expression we want. Okay. Now let's look at the second part, b, that says we should find g of f of x. So again, we're working from the inside out, right? Working from the inside out. So what this expression is saying, we should plug in f of x, which is going to be our input, then use that input and plug it into g of x. So I'm going to find f of x and just come and plug it in right here. Now we go up here. F of x is giving us 3 divided by x minus 8. So that is going to be my new input. So it's going to look like that. So g, which is the outer function, then I'm plugging in f of x, which is giving us 3 over x minus 8. Now from here, this is saying I have a new input called 3 over x minus 8, and that input goes into g. Okay, so now let's do that. So I'm going to plug in g. What does g says? The g function says 2x plus 1. So wherever I see x, I'm going to substitute that with the new input. Okay, so it's going to look like that. 2. Now x, I take out the original x and I plug in my new input. Where's the new input? The new input says 3 over x minus 8. And I believe we can simplify this further, right? So let's do that. If I multiply the top to the top, 2 times 3, I end up with 6 over x minus 8 and plus 1. Okay. We can leave a fraction like that. Okay. Of course, we can simplify further, but this is okay. So we are going to say that g of f of x equals to 6 over x minus 8 plus 1. And that is a rational function we'll be looking at in the future. All right. So I hope this was helpful. I'll see you again in another video. Thank you.